Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to upload a TikTok video or post from your computer or PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and you want to select up at the top right versus upload. Go ahead and select that. And then it will take you in an area that you can drag and drop videos from your computer. You can do up to 30 videos at a time. And I think you can schedule them out to a week ahead of time. Just drag and drop them in here, and then you can add and modify the titles and metadata directly from this page. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.